easiest, the better way home.
You know, when this plot was bought, me and Gitambar had come around over here and he stopped. He over here told me that I want people to stop on the highway and look at this project. He succeeded in doing that.
The place was semi-constructed. I, being an architect, could see the potential and we just fell in love with the place.
There were no regrets ever since.
No regrets.
Absolutely, yeah.
It's a very green society and it's really pretty.
My brother, who's about 5-6 years old, his friends, they love coming here, playing with other friends and parks and all that stuff. So they love coming.
Architecturally, it's very spacious. The clubhouse has been sunken in this area to give a feeling of openness.
Talking about the design, unlike many other places where you have too many facilities but not many places to move around, I think this place actually has a soul.
This is basically full of facilities. Tennis, maintenance is first class.
Squash court is amazing. Like they just renovated that. And
The gym, the swimming pool, mostly the basketball court.
Kids don't need to go anywhere. We don't need to take them to a club, as I was mentioning. I mean, everything is here and their friends. Each age group, they have their own group.
You're out Sunday evening, beautiful weather, walking around. Usually Sunday is kids to uncles and aunties, everyone's down there for Kambola.
If you go out and for an evening walk, it feels like you're in a resort. And a lot of openness, a lot of greenery. The kids have a great time in the evening. She goes every day to the pool.
Kids love to play in the garden. They play a lot of badminton here. It's been blissful living here. Most of the weekend and summer holidays with the kids is in the pool.
I go for the morning walk. My wife goes to gym.
They've got a room for senior citizens, so
They meet every every day, carom cards and all that.
they play pool with us.
Yeah.
We have a good time with them too.
Facilities are there. I mean, anything you require, you get it here. There is a shop called Food King. That is a departmental store. It keeps everything.
We have all the shopping facilities here. In fact, you don't have to go anywhere else once you enter the gates of ATS.
We just have to ring up. Intercom facility is an excellent facility. I must say that is a blessing in disguise. You can talk to your friends for hours and hours without paying anything.
No. Anywhere in India, if you go, the key is you can build a good property, but maintaining it is really, really important and the most difficult thing. Hats off to them.
Because of security, people are living here.
My house is never locked. It is always open.
Especially in this part of the world, security is very important. They have done really good work. I have 2 girls. We are not scared where they are.
Even if I have a different car which doesn't have a sticker, they won't let it enter.
it's really safe over here.
The guards make sure they don't step out.
Do you like going in and out yourself alone without being scared?
Yes. And it's pretty safe also. We play till 9 o'clock at least.
This is truly community living. I just stumbled there, fell down. They could not find my pulse. They immediately, within 5 minutes, everything was arranged to take me to the hospital. We never expected that we'll have this time in this life. Anybody needs any kind of doctor, they have given their names. It is on their panel list. You can always call them.
She has a book club going.
You have the New Year parties, you have
Diwali, Dussehra, and everyone's there, your friends are there. Plus people, like, we know friends outside ATS who come here too. Everyone enjoys ATS.
Quite a party.
We just crossed this place and I thought it was a good location.
The reason for moving here was the location. I think ATS really focuses on the location. It was close to Delhi.
Location is perfect because we don't enter Noida, so there's not much of traffic. It's not far away from Sector 18 and the center Noida. And getting in and out of Delhi, I think this is more convenient. And for us, the schools are just across the road.
From our school, there are about 3 buses which are only for ATS. 3 buses.
It's like any other resort, so we don't have to go anywhere else once we stay here.
Living here is effortless, I would say.
Anybody who has shifted here from outside has not moved.
It's one of the best societies here.